heavy load from one place to another? In Bible times, and in many places even today, donkeys are used to carry heavy loads. In the Bible, it tells us that Joseph's brother used donkeys to carry the grain they obtained in Egypt. Abigail used donkeys to carry the supplies she was giving to David after her husband Nabal insulted him. Donkeys are good for carrying people too. The Bible records Balaam, Abigail, Jesus, and many others as riding on donkeys. Clearly, donkeys were important animals. Perhaps now you can better understand why the 10th commandment says that we should not covet our neighbor's donkey. Now let's think about this. What is it that makes the donkey such a good working animal? Is it his strong legs? Or maybe his sturdy back? Well, those are important parts of a donkey for sure. But a donkey must have more than just legs and a back. It needs lungs so it can get oxygen from the air. And it needs a stomach and intestines so it can get nutrition from food. It also needs a heart and many blood vessels to carry oxygen and nutrition to wherever the body needs it. It's clear already that the donkey needs all of his parts, and all of them need to work together well. This is a good example of unity, different parts working well together. And that's just how God wants it to be in the church too. It's easy for us to think that what we do is more important than what someone else does, but we shouldn't think that way. Everybody is important and special to God, and each one of us should be content to carry out the job He has given us to do.